that's on fire. Look at it.
Still going.
If you were a neighbour, you'd be like, oh, what's going on there?
Are you going to have a go?
Yeah.
Rightio, so I promised all you guys a shed skid when we hit 3,000 subscribers, and it's a bit more than that now, so we kind of have to. Dad's finally finished doing his drag racing, got some steelies on my car. So, thanks for all the support, everyone watching, everyone commenting. Let's do a skid.
Hello.
Hello.
Did anyone see Brad?
Hello.
Holy dooly.
Fun both.
That was 2 wheels.
Oh my god. Do you just have a fan or something? Yeah,
Holy rubber.
Oh. Maybe it didn't spin too. Oi. Maybe it didn't spin too. I'm sure there was smoke coming out that side. This one. Look at all the rubber coming out of this one.
Looks like it spun a little bit at the start, but then this one. Yeah, that one definitely spun.
Look at Mum out here. That's a shed skid, Brad.
Hell yeah.
What was that?
He's a naughty.
He's naughty.
Yeah, look how much. Someone would think that that's on fire. Look at it.
Still going.
If you were a neighbour, you'd be like, oh, what's going on there? If you didn't hear the noise beforehand.
Are you going to have a go?
Yeah.
He's a naughty. Yeah, I'll have a go.
Look at it. That was a bit too much. No, that was too much.
That was very impressive, Brad. I'm sure there was smoke coming out of the...
Yeah, I looked in both my rear view mirrors. I think it might have been from that one tyre just going.
Oh, okay.
But at the start, I definitely felt it moving a bit. Like it moved to the side just a little bit and then it stopped.
Yeah, I'm sure it was too.
Yeah.
It's still coming out. They're going to forget about traction control. button that says traction control. There you go. Track off. There we go. Just got to put on the brake harder. Well,
I'm trying to tell you.
you're doing the right thing. You just got to put your foot on the brake harder.
What? What?
Okay.
What? Thank you.
Okay.
We put some
Are you slowly putting your foot on the accelerator or really quickly? Do it really fast.
Clear window up.
Should I have a go or?
I want to try and do it. If I can't do it, you can do it. Hey, Mum, can I do a burnout in the car?
I don't really want you to. I wanted to do it.
Yeah.
It would be nice for someone else to have a go and either fail or succeed. Dude! Aww.
Thanks, drive it out. Can breathe for a bit in there.
Who opened the door? Got all the
I
smoke
did to tell
in.
him to stop because he wouldn't stop. Don't laugh at me.
It did a burnout though.
Did.
What did you do?
I had my foot as hard as I could on the brake, and then I was just like, put it all the way down.
Oh, I don't want to do
Do you
it.
want to try again?
Yes. That's not fair.
Oh, that sounded really good.
Did it?
Yeah.
Look, I wanted to do the first proper burnout. in
That's
it.
that's not a real burnout.
Yes, it
Didn't
was.
go for long enough.
So see how it sort of moved forward, but in the process of moving forward, the wheel sort of sped up, and eventually, once it's spinning quick enough, it doesn't want to push
so when
the front
it
tires
started to
forward.
go forward, did you put it into second?
No. So all I did was just like it started to go forward, and then I let off the throttle a little bit, and then just went
You let off the throttle.
just the teeniest, tiniest little bit, and then it stopped going forward, and then more brake, and then I just put it all
So-
the way down.
Yeah, so another trick you can do is sort of, you stall it up so it sort of loads up, and then as you floor it, you like let your foot off the brake a bit, but then you put it on really hard, so it kind of lets the back wheels loosen up and start spinning, but then you put the front brakes on so that the car stops. You gonna have a go or not?
Yes, I am. Just
All right.
Do you want to go and sit there because she requested for you? Who's making all this smoke? Oh, Mum. Far out.
Finally did one.
Good job.
Did it, Brad.
Good job.
Stop videoing me.
Hey, why isn't Mum doing this? Oh.
Which one's a mine? There's chunks taken out.
You wrecked the concrete.
Mum.
Sorry.
That's why I told you to stop, and then so you went forward a bit, obviously, and then they started spinning, and then I shifted into second, and then you went sort of. I said take the foot off the brake a little bit, and she sort of it's moving.
That's so good. Can we leave my marks there?
We're not going to scrub.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to get him off.
Oh, why did that happen?
It happened at Toby's house as well.
It gets really hot. He's wrecked my plan. I thought Brad was going to do a little burnout.
Well, that means you got to do a bigger one.
And then you were going to do like a mum-sized burnout.
What's a mum size burn?
No, it's like.
Yeah,
That's
look.
both.
This
Yeah,
is yours.
look.
Brad didn't do any on this.
Yeah, this is your mark. That's a good burnout.
Is that yours, Brad? Is that little one yours?
Yeah. You also have more power than me.
Look at all the marks from Mum going forward. Oh, that's your front tyres sliding.
Dad's turn.
Alright.
Show us how it's done,
You've been
Timmer.
out all day the last 2 days, but I'll come and do a little one.
Thank you. What are you doing, man?
Oh, sorry.
How'd you go?
Yeah, good. I got hit by rocks.
Oh. Show us.
That rock hit me there.
Oh.
Look at all the rocks on the floor. Lucky it didn't hit me in the face. That's naughty. That's naughty.
What?
You hit out on the rock.
Yeah, you hit all the rocks in the shed.
No, I thought I
You
stopped.
hit me with rocks.
Did I?
I thought you hit the shed.
I thought I stopped before I went there.
That was a bit over the top. Tim.
Oh. Who did that? That was a bit over the top, wasn't it?
No, that was sick. Over the top's what we want.
Is this from Mum's?
Ah, Tim.
Little bit of shed decoration going on today.
3,000 subscribers.
Woo!
What's going on here?
Putting a seat in Mum's car.
What for?
I can try to do a skid.
In a manual?
Yeah.
Have you ever even driven a manual before?
No. That'll be my only letdown.
You're only let down.
Yeah.
The fact that you haven't driven the car that you're about to try and do a skid in.
Yep.
Or a turbo.
Yeah.
But you probably got to get it started. It's definitely not going to start.
No. Need a jump pack.
Alright. Just looking for my jump pack. Might leave that open for a bit.
We've had the last minute permission from my mother to let me try and do a skid in her car.
Only because you hit 3,000 subscribers.
Only because I hit 3,000 subscribers. Let's put the jump pack. There goes green.
So what's going on?
So, we've come across a problem. your car doesn't want to jump start with a
Which
jump.
one?
This red one, doesn't want to start with a jump pack. So we're going to use your other car,
Which one?
your Prado, to jump start this one.
Whose idea was that?
Dad's,
It was mine, actually.
Mum's.
Let's try that.
Oh, Mum's car's be running.
Oh, it will help, but we'll try it without it first.
Nope.
Nothing at all.
10.
And then plug it in.
Start your car, please, mother.
Righto, Sonna.
Thank you.
Do you want to just turn it over and see what?
me know when.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm trying. I think it's working.
It's weird. It doesn't even drop down that much.
Got all the power in the power world happening here.